Hi dear viewers, Professor Faru here with another very important and interesting video, that is common and general medicines. I told you here the name of all those medicines which are very useful and also having a less side effects. So let's start. The first medicine that is very important to have at home is Panadol or Panadol Extra, which is useful for headache. When we face headache problem, we can use this medicine. Second one is the Arenic Fort, is also very important to have at home, which can be used for cold and flu. When we face this problem, we can use this medicine. Third one is the Flagyl or Imodium or ORS, are also very important to have these medicine at home. All these medicines are useful for abdominal pain and motions. Fourthly, the Caflam 50. Both these medicines can be used in case of pain in any part of the body, which are very useful for the pain, so having very less side effects. Fifth, the Amston medicine is useful for high blood pressure. The sixth one is the Augmentin medicine, is used for any type of chest and sore of throat. Seventh one is Gavinate tablets are used in case of vomiting and nausea. Eighth is the medicine of Mucin syrup and Gaviscon syrup are used in case of gas issues in stomach. Ninth one is the Ryzik and Zantic tablets. Both medicines are useful for acidity in chest and stomach problems. When you face the chest problem or stomach problem, then you can use these tablets. On the 10th number, Polyfax cream and Pyridine liquid are used in case of burns or injuries, or in case of rashes. Carbox 625 mg are useful for toothache. When you face the toothache, you can use these tablets. Number 11, double Septon is useful in case of acne problems or boils. Number 12, Bofen syrup is used to reduce acute fever or to bring immediate fever reduction. When you're facing the acute fever problem, then you can use this syrup. Otherwise, avoid this. Number 13, colic drops are used in case of stomach or constipation, but for only small kids. Number 14, hydrosol cream is used in case of rashes. It is also beneficial for children. Number 15, acifil syrup, hydralin syrup, and pulmonil syrup are useful for cough. These syrups are useful for both children and adults also, but the quantity may be considered as age. Please have this knowledge and share this video as considering this ongoing charity, and share this information further so that other people can also get benefit from this video. Thanks for watching my videos, liking and sharing also, and also for subscribing my channel Professor Faru. May you live long. Bye bye.